Gurudwara Sheesh Ganj Sahib, a symbol of brotherhood. Stationed at Chandni Chowk, Gurudwara Sheesh Ganj Sahib is one of the prominent Gurudwaras in Delhi. The Gurudwara is dedicated to the 9th Sikh Guru, Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji, and his 3 adherents who were brutally murdered. History. During the cruel reign of Aurangzeb, he took his propaganda of religious conversion to a whole new level. He became adamant to religiously convert all Hindus, and fearing this adversity, the Kashmiri Pandits approached Guru Tegh Bahadur. The Guru asked the Pandits to tell Aurangzeb if he could convince the Guru to convert, they will all embrace Islam. Consequently, Guru Tegh Bahadur did not accept Islam, which infuriated the Mughal emperor, and he ordered him to be beheaded along with his disciples on 11th November 1675. Architecture. Gurudwara Sheesh Ganj Sahib was built in memory of Guru Tegh Bahadur and his 3 followers, Bhai Sati Das, Bhai Mati Das and Bhai Dayala by Military General of Punjab Baghel Singh in 1783. The Gurudwara has a spacious prayer hall which also inhabits the trunk of the tree under which Guru Tegh Bahadur was beheaded. The Community Kitchen. Sikhism is known for their community kitchens which serve meals to everyone, rejecting the ideas of caste and creed. Rejection of caste system is the basic protocol of Sikhism. The supervisor of the kitchen, Mr. Rashpal, is of the view that temple feeds near about 40,000 people every day. Museum. Just opposite to the Gurudwara Sheesh Ganj Sahib is a museum which binds the history of the place and other credentials of Sikh religion. Outside the temple there is a pyao from where people passing by the Chandni Chowk can avail drinking water at any time of the day. The premise of the temple includes the historic well where Guru Tegh Bahadur had bath one last time. The well is considered holy and believers come to have the holy water and get themselves blessed. Mosque and the Gurudwara. Adjacent to the Gurudwara is a mosque, and both these places have worked together through time. Also, authorities told us how both these institutions have worked with utmost tolerance towards each other. Today, when intolerance is abuzz in the country, these 2 places set an example of working harmoniously, thus maintaining faith of followers in religion and its teachings. If you enjoyed watching our video, do like and share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel now.